Today I'm going to wear a sari, but it's summer, so I'm going to keep it really light. First I'm going to use a serum, which is going to prime my face. During these humid days, I do not use liquid foundation and I'm going to make this work. Use some concealer wherever required and blend it out. Then use a powder foundation. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. It is a foundation, but powder based. Set your eyebrows with a gel so that they don't move out of place. I'm using the PAC 217 brush. I'm using the Nude Medium palette by Huda Beauty. Use any transition color, that is good enough. Take it up till your socket or your crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, go further up. Now take any brown eyeshadow and a pencil brush. You can look into my video about brushes and just line your lower waterline, but don't come in all the way. I'm going to be using a bright lipstick, so I'm going to keep my eye makeup really light. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara and use it patiently. Line and fill out your lips with a nude lip liner. Then a darker lip liner that will go with your lipstick. I love this pink. Give it a try, or you can try something similar. I'm just wearing this because it goes with my sari. Use a blush of your choice, and that's it for the makeup. I stick with cream blushes because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, just go for a powder-based blush. I use my personal products just to portray these looks. Please use brands of your own choice. Just follow the technique and it will work. To me, a sari is incomplete without a bindi. Good to go. This look, just 11 products.